Hey everybody, Eric Pascal with you live at Yoga Download with my pals here, and we're about to give you 20 minutes of some good, sweet, juicy, crazy asana. So don't try to keep up. Let's just show up no matter what, and let's learn from one another. Here we go. We're going to take a quarter turn step out to the right. Love is Magic from Afro Beta. Thank you for feeding us with this music. Open your feet up. Move your hips around a little bit. That's it. In fact, bring your hands to your hips. Don't be bashful. We won't be. How about some hip rolls? Forward, back, and around. I'm scared to look behind me because I don't know what I'm going to see, but let's just, let's change the direction of that circle. Come on. You know, the street language for this is the grind, That's it. That's it. Make it work. Work it, girl. Good. Come back through center. Grab your knees and tuck the right shoulder to the left knee. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. 20 minutes. We're going to love ourselves so good. You're going to be on fire. Inhale. Come on up slowly. Exhale. Left shoulder over to the right knee. Beautiful. Finish and exhale. Inhale, bring the hands to heart center, stand tall. Exhale, sink down. Inhale, stand tall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And exhale, sink down. Find your balance, concentrate. Come on up. Exhale, sink down. Now, just a few times, a little pulsing, opening the groins, the glutes, and the thighs. Finish. 3. Start moving side to side. 2 and 1. From here, breathe in, reach the arms up. Go ahead and take a forward bend over your left leg. Hold for 5, for 4. Bet you that feels pretty good. 3, 2, 1. Take your right arm, windmill it up and around. Come up through center, hands back to heart center. Move it around side to side. Reach your arms out a little. Get down into it. And then turn to the right. Straighten the right leg and take it down for 5, 4, 3, 2. I say feeling, you say good. I say feeling, you say feeling. There you go. Breathe in. Come on up. Windmill the arm all the way up and around. Point the toes forward. Good. From here, step the right foot next to your left. We're going to sink down into a squat. Step out and hold. Go side to side. Step back. Come up. Squat down. Step out wide. Keep the hands in prayer side to side. Step back. Come up. One more. Squat down. Side to side. And this time, step the left foot over to meet the right. Inhale, come up. Exhale, take it down. Step out to the left. Side to side. Step back to the right. Inhale, come up. Exhale, take it down. Side to side. Should be getting a little hotter. Things should be burning below the waist. Step it over, come up. One more time for good luck. Exhale, take it down. Step it out. Side to side. Good. Come back through center, straighten the legs. Fall forward and down. Walk your right hand as close to your left foot as you can. Lift the left arm to the sky. Breathe in. 4, 3. Pick up the chest. 2, 1. Walk the left hand over to your right foot. Breathe in, lift the right arm up. Now, I don't know if this is new for you. You might have done this 1,000 times. But what has to be new, different, or consistent if you've been doing this is keeping a certain attitude and energy while you're moving. Drop the right hand down. Walk the hands through center. Breathe in, lift the chest. Exhale, hands to hips. Breathe in, jump the feet together, hands to heart center. Good. From here, with an exhale, sink back down, hold, jump out, hold, jump in, hold. 2 more. Jump out, hold, jump in, jump out, and lower the hands down once again. Straighten the legs out. 1 more time. Beautiful. Good. Slowly roll up 1 vertebra at a time. And exhale, step to the front of the mat, hands to heart center. Finish and exhale. Listen close. On an inhale, step your right foot back. Reach the arms up. Finish and exhale. Breathe in, a leg lift. Right leg lifts. Exhale, step it down. Hands to heart center. Breathe in, step back, low lunge, arms up, crescent. Lift up, leg lift. And slowly step it down, hands to heart center. Let's see it again. Step back. You have to concentrate. Breathe in, reach the right leg up and squeeze. Yes, slowly lower, hands to heart center. Not easy, but simple. Step back with the left leg. Arms up. Finish and exhale. Breathe in, lift. Exhale, lower, hands to heart center. Freeze. Take a moment. You make sure that at the same time you're working your ass off, you marry it with the energy of chilling, relaxing, and enjoying yourself. Here we go. We're going to build onto that a little bit. Everybody, step your right leg back. Reach your arms up. This time, kick it up again. Bend the leg and pull your right foot on top of your left thigh. Bend the left leg. Take your right elbow and cross it into your right arch and find a twist. For 5. For 4, if you can't sink your elbow in, you can wrap your left hand behind your back and just grab your right foot. 3, I've got you. 2, you're not going to like this, but you'll thank me later. 1, on an inhale, bring your right hand to your right hip, grab your right foot and extend it out. Bring the right arm behind you. Beautiful. 3, come on. 2, work with me. 1, step your right foot back, back to crescent, arms up, and all we're going to do, everybody, is 3 straight kicks. So the motion is this. On an exhale, hands to heart center, pull your right knee up, full extension, right knee in and up, step back on the ball of your right foot, arms up. Let me see 2 more. Exhale, bring it up. Yep. Inhale, take it back. Again, not easy but simple. 1 more time, bring it up. Whew. Step it back. Arms up, this is it. Cross and twist, prayer twist. Give me 5. 4. 50% of this class and a little more is already done. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hands down, step the left foot back, and lower through push-up like it's nobody's business. Breathe in and enjoy, and exhale, down dog. Fire up, everybody. Remember, I say feeling, you say feeling good. Beautiful. Take another long breath in. And exhale, bend the knees, look forward, walk or float the feet to the hands. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fall forward. You're not trying to power your way through this. You're trying to do it with love in your heart, gratitude and clarity in your head. Breathe in, circle the arms up over the head. Exhale, hands to heart center. From here, again, adding on, we're going to step the left foot back. Reach the arms up. Then we're going to bring that left leg up, hands to heart center. Whoa, Eric, come on, Eric, come on, Eric. There you go, my man. Grab your left foot, bend the right leg, and find that twist. Now, you may not be able to get down that far, so just grab your left foot with your left hand, bring your right hand to your hip or behind your back, and turn from here. 3, you've got this. 2, 1. Come up, extend the left leg out, reach for it with the outside. That's it. Of the right hand, lift, lift, lift. One more breath in. Exhale, step your left leg back, crescent, arms up. Yes, take another breath in, and you know what's coming. We're going to pull that left leg up towards the chest, shoot it out, bring it back in, stabilize your standing leg and step it back. Reach the arms up for airplane. Good. Exhale. Inhale. Set it and lift. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. Exhale. This is your bonus one. Step it back. Reach the arms up. Cross and twist. Left elbow all the way over. Come on. 4. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Drop the hands down. Step the right foot back. Lower through push-up. Breathe in. Roll to the tops of the feet. Breathe out to down dog. Listen closely. We're going to have a blast with this. My friends here are like, oh shit, I know what that means. I'm going to die. So from here, watch all of us in down dog. We walk our hands back to our feet. Drop your tush to your heels. Bring the hands to heart center and take a little jump to your left. Now, so my friend Amber can see still, I'm going to do it right next to her. Monkey crawls. Hands are outside your right knee. Stay low. We're going to go 1, 2, and back. 1, 2. Keep your butt low. Yes. Keep your butt low. And 2 back. 1, 2. Stop hating me. I can feel you guys at home. 1, 2. The other way. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep your butt low. Back. 1, 2. One more time for good luck. Yes. And all the way back. Whoo. From here, stay low and inhale. Come up tall. Reach the arms out over the head. Step your right leg out to the right. Keep those arms up. Take another long breath in. And with an exhale, once again, fall forward. This time with the hands low, jump your feet together, squat, jump them out. Feet together, squat, jump them out. Feet together, squat, jump them out. 3, 2, and 1. Jump them out. Hold. From here, walk your left hand to your left foot. Turn the left toes out. Side angle. Lift the right arm to the sky. So everybody, we're moving quickly, but it doesn't mean that we're not moving scientifically. We worked our lower body already, our upper body. We warmed up our groins and thighs, the first thing we did, and now we're just digging in deeper, deeper, and deeper. Inhale, come up to warrior 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, interlace the hands behind the back. Turn the left toes inward. You're squaring off. Exhale, fall forward. Tuck it down for 3. For 2, thank you, Space Cadets, for this great song. And 1, drop your hands down. Walk the hands to your right foot. Side angle. Lift the left arm to the sky. Open the chest and do your best, everybody. Yoga is not about posing. It's not about showing off. It's about showing up and being real wherever you're at. That's what this as-is yoga is all about. Finish and exhale. Up through warrior 2 on an inhale. Hold for 3, 4, 2. You've got it, y'all. 4, 1. Step it up. Equal standing pose. Hands to heart center. Whew. One more tiny little blast off. Here we go. Step the right foot back. Reach the arms up. Engage your low belly muscles. and jump and switch. Woo. Yes. Yes. Hold. One more time. Jump and switch. Yes. Hold. Hold. Did I say one more time? Gosh, I'm sorry. I meant one more time. Jump and switch. One more time. Jump and switch. Drop your hands down. Step it back. Lower and empty. Breathe in. Roll it up. Breathe out to down dog. From down dog, bring your feet together. Walk your feet a little closer to your hands. Bend your knees. We're going to do a few jump ups where your heels come to your tush and we elevate up and come down back to our heels 5 times. So we come up and come down. We come up and come down. Let's see it again. Yes. And sink back down to your heels. Walk the hands back to your feet. Straighten the legs. Reach for the back of the heels and fall forward. For 5. For 4. For 3. Any version is great of a forward bend. 2 and 1. Walk your hands all the way out to plank. Let's end this with a big old sweat here. So we're going to lift the left leg up. We come around to wild thing. We come back up and bring our right knee to our left try. Our left try to our right knee. Jump and switch over and lift the right leg up. Turn. Come back around. Pull it in. Opposite knee to elbow. Jump and switch, turn, lift it up, come over, squeeze, jump and switch, and turn. Last one, come in, squeeze, jump and switch, head back to plank. And everybody at home, everyone here it is, the final pose. Lift your hands and feet off the ground. Wait a minute. No one can levitate? Oh, Marco, my man. My man. My man. From here, let's drop down to our knees, everybody. Bring your tush to your heels. Bring a hand to your heart and one to your belly. If you're home and you want to finish, throw in a back bend, throw in a shoulder stand. And whatever you do, never leave class without lying on your back or sitting on your butt for a few minutes, being still. We are so grateful that you tuned in with us. On behalf of Lisa, Marco, and Amber, for my friends at Yoga Download, once again, I'm Eric Paschal, and I am so damn tickled to be in your presence. Thanks for saving my life today. Namaste.